tender and tasty stir-fried squid flowers, made with Jack and King selected pre-made squid flowers. Dice red and green peppers. Prepare agaric, ginger slices, and chopped scallion greens. Stir-fry the ingredients in hot oil until fragrant. Add squid flowers and agaric. Add some cooking wine. Add water, salt, sugar, and ground black pepper. Stir fry. Thicken the sauce with a slurry. Add oil. Stir fry for 2 minutes and serve.
Jack and King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.